People often ask me, what is the best machine to take to class or to travel with? Hi, I'm Brett Moore from Montevilla Sewing Centers in Portland, Oregon. I'm here to tell you that the Janome 4120 is the best machine right now to take with you. It's only 12 pounds. Easy to take off a table, can take off a floor. Great to take with me to class, to travel, or to quilt retreats. What I love about this machine is it's computerized. Now, why do I like computerized? Well, first of all, when I program a stitch, it automatically sets up my width and length for me. It takes all the guesswork out of it. It has needle up and needle down. That means the needle stops up or down for me, so I can pivot really easy. Also, a thread cutter. The thread cuts automatically, so I can tie my knots underneath the fabric and I can pull my fabric right out. Also has lettering. Combined with memory, I can put in my own letters to be able to create my own quilt labels. It's really easy. This machine has an electronic motor, which means that when it goes through thick fabrics, it can do so at any speed. Here I folded over 6 layers of denim and went right through. This will handle lighter weight fabrics too. Right now I'm going to go through some tulle fabric. Watch how easily it goes through this, giving me a perfect stitch even on lightweight. And then through stretch, using this stretch stitch. This will hold a seam on really stretchy fabrics and won't pop on me. Now when people buy a machine, a lot of times they have to buy a lot of extra accessories to go with it so that they can take it with them to class. What I love about this machine is it comes with all those things with it in the box. First of all, we've got this great extension table. This is a $70 value, comes with it in the box. It allows me to go right around the machine, so I have more place for my fabric on top of the table here. Also, when people buy a machine for quilting, they need extra feet. Well, guess what? This one comes with the feet. We've got a walking foot. This is a $60 value. Now this is great when you're putting 2 pieces of cotton together with batting in the middle. This will make sure that my top and bottom layers feed evenly. We've got a 1/4 inch foot. This is a $25 value. This is great for piecing when it comes to quilting. And another $25 value is the free motion foot. This allows me to actually do my own machine quilting. Plus we have an open toe foot. We've got some great accessories come with it in the box. And then we have the case to go with it. And the handle comes right through. The Janome 4120 is the best portable machine on the market. It's on an amazing sale right now at montevillasewing.com. Just click on the link below.